Learn how to block a phone number on iPhone in easy steps. Let's just get right into it.
First, tap on the phone icon for you to see some contacts. If the contact is not in the recent tab, tap on your contact tab. All right. Then you get to the phone number. Okay. So here, mine, the one I want to block is in the recent tab. So is this first number on the list? But I want to block it because it's a scammer. Tap on the info icon, which is at the by the right, okay, the eye icon. You'll be taken to a page like this. Some information about these contacts. The phone number is not shown in full. Some parts of it is hidden for security reason. Then the next step you need to take is to tap on block caller. Then a notification will show up here asking you to confirm you want to block it. Tap on block contact. And this contact is blocked so he can never reach you on phone again.
I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot of technology. Okay, learn how to solve problems in tech by subscribing. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, you can check out this video here to learn more on how to complete more tasks on iPhone. Thank you and see you some other time.